Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download Cashapp application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download Cashapp application on your Android device, first open up your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Cashapp into the search bar and press search. Once you find the application that says Cashapp Square Inc., tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Now, wait for the application to be downloaded on your mobile device, which is a quick process. Cashapp is a financial service platform and it is the easiest way to send, spend, save, and invest your money. It allows users to transfer money to one another using mobile phone application. Once the application is downloaded and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button in green popping out. Give it a tap in order to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download Cashapp application for your Android device. Now the application will be available on your app drawer just like that. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.